Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am Dhurub Saxena from Python Beginners YouTube channel. So today I'm gonna show you how to send an email using Python. So if you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more updates. So let's start. So we have to follow some steps. So these steps are as follows. Let's prepare a script, enable the less secure apps, one file, any format for the attachment, it's optional. If you want to attach a file with the email, then you have to create a file, otherwise there is no need. Okay. So we need to import some packages like SMTP protocol from email.me.multipart, import my multipart. So that are the libraries we have to install, and then create a function def send mail, and we have to provide the from address xyz@gmail.com and to address, and then we have to create an instance of main multipart. msg is equals to we need to store the sender's email address like this. msg in from is equals to from addr. We are getting from the value from addr. We need to storing the receiver's email address also. So we have to addr. We need to store the subject. Automated mail. Now we are store the body of the mail. So body. So we are using the multi-line string format. If you want to learn about the string, I have already made a video on it. So go to the description. I have provided the link in the description. You can also check. This is mail using Python from Python beginners. Please do not reply. Thanks. Python beginners team. So we need to attach the attachment with the body like this. msg.attach Python me text here with the body and pass it as and pass it the plain parameter for the plain text. Open a file. I have already created a test.xls file. File is equals to file name is equals to test.xlx attachment is equals to open file name. We have passed the read binary. RB denotes for read binary. Wait just a second. We have to create the instance of main base named as P. P is equals to main base pass the application octet string. We have to change the payload into encoded form. So we just simply p.set payload attachment dot read into encoded format. Encoders dot encode underscore base 64 of P. P is the payload. We need to add the content dispositions. So P dot add header, pass the content disposition attachment file name is equals to s and pass the file name as file name. We need to attach the attachment with the message. So msg dot attach of P. Now create the SMTP session. SMTP pass the SMTP dot gmail.com. We need to pass the port like 587 like. Now we need to start TLS for security purpose. we have to authenticate here as dot login. We need to pass the from ADDR, and here you have to pass your password. Now pass the text as a string. Convert the multi-part message into a string. Text is equals to msg dot as underscore string. Now we need to send an email. So S is the session of the SMTP protocol. Send mail is a function. From ADDR to ADDR and text, and read a message after sent an email successfully. Mail sent successfully. We need to quit this SMTP session. We need to call this function send mail. Simply send mail. Save this file, name sendmail.py. I have already created an Excel file here named text.xlx. So before run this script, we need to enable the less secure app, which I have mentioned in my text file. Enable the less secure apps because Google is not allowed the less secure app. We need to allow the less secure apps here. This is basically a testing purpose, so please do not use your original mail. So I am running this script. Let's run module. Mail sent successfully. Let's check again. Go to the inbox, refresh it. Yes, we got an email from automated mail from Python. Yes, we got an attachment test.xls. So I have also provided the link of this code in the description. After the testing, you need to off the allow the less secure off because it might be risky. So please do not use your original account. So that is all in today's video. Hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel, share with your friends, like and press the bell icon for the updates. So thank you.